Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm one of the product specialists here at Spy Center Security, the spy gear superstore, and I'm here today to talk to you about our new 4K Ultra Spy Pen camera. This normal looking pen actually records both video and audio at an extremely high 4K resolution, which makes it the highest resolution recorder that we currently sell. The camera is hidden above the clip and can be concealed by a cover when not in use. Now, before I get into specifics, make sure to show support by giving a like and subscribe or sharing our page. We aim to make things simple and easy for you when purchasing and testing your new device so you get the peace of mind you need. The 4K pen comes with everything you need straight out of the box. It has an internal rechargeable battery which lasts for 1 hour of recording, and when you need to recharge the device, simply spin it apart to reveal a USB interface and plug it into any computer or wall adapter to charge. It comes with a 32GB of reusable internal memory, which can store up to 2 hours of video at a time. So to start a recording, simply press the button located at the top of the device, and you will see a light on the back turn on and then begin to flash. Do not worry though, the light will go away once the recording has started. To turn off, simply press the button one more time to make it go into standby mode, where a solid blue light will show, then hold down the button for 3 seconds and the green lights will flash and then disappear, indicating you have shut it off. We do get a lot of requests for quality demonstrations for this product in different environments, so take a look at this extended real-world quality demo. This is a quality demonstration test for the 4K Ultra Resolution Spy camera. Here is a TV monitor, the rest of our storefront, and all the audio and video you are currently watching is coming from the pen itself. So let's go ahead and take a look outside here. That's the outside. Of course, from the inside, it's a lot of traffic out there, so I'm not going to go out there and have it just burst your guys' ears, but it'll give you a good quality demonstration of what it would sound like, at least from the pen being 3 feet apart. When you want to review what you recorded, simply plug the USB cable into any Windows or Mac-based computer. Every time you started a recording, there will be an individual file on there which you can play on a Windows Media Player, VLC Media Player, or iTunes. You can also check the links in the description for a more in-depth tutorial on how to plug it into the computer and review the files. And that's a wrap. Thank you for watching the end of the video, and make sure to give a like and subscribe as well, where we aim to give you a peace of mind you need.